So he came over instead of Kodama Gentaro to govern Taiwan. And one of the first things that he said that he did was a lot of surveys to understand the land, first of all. And after he understood, then he started implementing things like improving the hygiene regulations and building hospitals so that it could, in a sense, sanitize Taiwan. And Taiwan became a very profitable colony, actually, for Japan. And especially during World War I and World War II, there were a lot of resources that were shipped from Taiwan to Japan and kept Japan afloat. So it became quite the key colony. So therefore, when this museum was founded, and later Phaedra is going to tell you, this museum actually has a very close connection to the railway system. But aside from being connected with the railway system, it was also dedicated to these two men, Kodama Gentaro and Goto Shinpei. Now, if you dedicate a building to someone, you are probably going to want to make it clear, right? And you're probably going to put something in it to show these two people. What do you think you should put in a place that commemorates people to show that it's for them? Yes. Statue, right? Yes, very good. Such smart kids. The younger generations, we're safe. It's true. Do you see any statues here? No, right? But can you guess where those statues used to be? If you had to take a guess. Yes, very good. Here, these vases on your left and on your right are very nice, yeah, no doubt, but I don't think they warrant having this niche built for them.